Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube. I'm Jen, and today is Kawaii Craft Kit Day. Kawaii Craft Kit is a monthly craft kit. They do things like resin, and I believe this month is felting, and different types of craft kits that you don't normally see. Super excited to see what's inside. Ta-da! There is a supply list. So this month is needle felting. So let's see what's inside. First up, we have a pretty button. Very cute button. Love it. Your buttons always have something to do with their kits for that month. And then there is this little charm bezel-y thingy, whatever it's called. So, super cool to see that. Then we have a wool needle felting kit. Turn wool into art. Includes wool for this project, accessories, and instructions. Looks like everything you need to make a sheep. So that is super cute, and that's this little guy and that little guy. And this is very soft wool. And then I got little doodads. Some more wool. And I'm thinking the way this is set up is that this is the intro project. So you're to create this one, and then you've got stuff in here to create others on top of that. So there is this thing. And then here are the full color instructions for the plump sheep felting tutorial. Tells you how to make it all, what shapes. So very cool. Many moons ago, I actually did do a needle felting dog. Super cute. I really loved him, but I didn't get into it much beyond that. So I think this will be a good practice for me, something new, something I can do while I'm watching TV, things like that. So there's that. And then we've got a whole bag. This one looks like wool for this project. So I don't know which of these 5 it is. Might be all 5. Look at the amount of wool on here. So this one looks like you can make a cute octopus. So this is the octopus kit. Oh yeah, that's the octopus, and you can just do different things with him. So that's what that is. So you can put little ears on him, you can put a little ice cream swirl on him, bows. Very cute. So that is, where'd the picture go? Oh, it's so, that is these little guys. Haven't seen any needles yet. Oh, this, no needles. Still just the little nails for the eyes. So there's that one. I am shocked by the amount of projects that is in here. So very excited to see all that. And then inside this little box we have a basic tutorial, Introduction to Needle Felting. So it tells you the basics, probably has the rest of the tools you need. So piece of foam, you need foam, so you stick it with the needle. Instructions. Basic tutorials tells you how to work with it, how to use it, how to make shapes. I have to tell you, when I did do this years and years and years ago, I had a mold. So doing this without a mold is going to be interesting. But you've got 12 colors. You have your needle tool. Yeah. I think. And handle. I believe. Maybe not. I will have to read the instructions. Or maybe it does, it just goes this way. Okay, that's it. So they just turned it around for safety, but I turned it back around for there you go. So for safety reasons. There is a whole bunch of extras, so that is very nice. I love the little container they gave you with it. Then you've got another wooden one. There you go. With protector. And you have 2 finger protectors. So one for your finger and one for your thumb, it looks like. And they're leather. So when you poke it, it should protect your fingers. This one's got a little bulbous on the side, so you'd have to figure out how to best utilize that while you are felting. They fit rather nice though. Okay, so it says supplies, felting kit, sheep, felting kit, octopi, 12 colors of extra wood, felting needles with case, wooden handle, felting mat, finger protectors, clippers. Don't know what the clippers are. The owl. Oh, this was right in front of me and I didn't see it. So here's the clippers. Very nice. Right in front of my face. And then there is a thing on the back that says, "Hello, welcome to the Needle Felting Kit for Kawaii Craft Kits. This month we will be making adorable projects using wool. If you are new to needle felting, I recommend watching a few video tutorials on YouTube in addition to mine. Please be careful when using needles, yada yada. Go slowly, protect your fingers, understand." And then she does tell us what's coming up. So in October, there's a little light up characters, teeny tiny. And actually this tells us this month and last month. It says, I share finished creations and work in progress photos on Instagram stories and add them to the highlights for that month. So it tells you to scan it for a YouTube channel. It includes a video tutorial for each month. So there you go. This is my humongous Kawaii craft kit for the month of September. That's important. I do get some items. I just opened something that was for October. This one is specifically for September. So thanks for watching. I will definitely have to learn. I'm not sure what this is for. I will definitely have to learn and figure out how to do this. So stay tuned and keep creating. Thank you.